result from voter given the businesses. You see this name different from this. The results here are different from this. And if I send this, if I send what I'm given now to Nairobi, then you will hear tomorrow you'll see that at Kimilili, these results were different, and therefore we are not going to consider the presidential result for this station. So we are not going to count it in favor of any candidate. Can you agree?